For cryptocurrencies and art auctions, a revolution in buying and selling art. The integration of cryptocurrencies into the art world is revolutionizing the way art is bought and sold. Cryptocurrencies, particularly through the use of blockchain technology, offer transparency, security, and efficiency in transactions, addressing long-standing challenges in the art market. Key impacts. 1. Global accessibility. Cryptocurrencies enable buyers and sellers from around the world to participate in art auctions without the barriers of currency conversion or banking restrictions. This opens up the market to a broader audience, increasing competition and potentially driving up prices. 2. Enhanced transparency. Blockchain technology ensures that the ownership history, provenance, and authenticity of artworks are recorded on a tamper-proof ledger. This reduces the risk of forgery and enhances trust between buyers and sellers. 3. Fractional ownership. Cryptocurrencies allow for the fractional ownership of high-value artworks through tokenization. Multiple investors can own shares of an artwork, democratizing investment in the art market and allowing for greater liquidity.